Are you ready to downsize but don't want to give up the water? Well, I got this great condo for you, 4 Harbor Watch with its deeded boat dock. A little bit about this dock. You're equipped with electricity and water. But before we go inside, you got to check out these beautiful views. Thanks for stopping by today. If you want any information on this, give me a call today, Kathy Underwood.